In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn Figma designs into code with Next.js, Tailwind CSS, Shad.cn in 2025. First, head to the Figma website and open the project that contains the design you want to convert. Make sure you're working on the exact frame or component you want to export, not the entire page. Selecting a specific frame helps Figma generate cleaner, more targeted code and minimizes extra markup you don't need. With your design selected, right-click directly on it. From the menu that appears, choose Copy As, then click Copy a previous code. This tells Figma to prepare a code representation of what you've selected. Depending on your setup, Figma will surface styles, layout information, and structure based on the selection. If you're using auto layout and well-named layers, you'll generally see more organized output. Next, look for the Generate Code option. Click Generate Code to have Figma produce the code snippet for your selection. At this point, you may be prompted to upgrade your plan. Figma's code generation features can require a paid tier, so you won't be able to continue until that's active. Follow the on-screen prompts to complete the upgrade. The process is straightforward. Just continue through the screens shown in your account and confirm the change. Once your plan is upgraded, return to your design selection. You'll now see an export option available. Open the export panel and you'll see the generated code for the item you selected. This is where you can review what Figma produced, double-check that the frame or component is correct, and confirm the styling reflects your intended design. When you're ready, simply copy the code. A few tips as you work. Choose the smallest meaningful selection, like a card, header, or section, to avoid bloated code. Ensure your frames use auto layout where appropriate. That tends to translate to more predictable structure. Consistent spacing, text styles, and color tokens in Figma also result in cleaner, reusable code. After copying, you can paste the code into your Next.js components and adapt it to your Tailwind CSS utility classes or Shad.cn UI patterns. Treat Figma's output as a foundation. Refine class names, consolidate styles, and align the structure with your project's component architecture. The goal is to speed up the build, not to rely on the export as is for production without review. That's it. Open Figma, select your design, copy as code, generate, upgrade if prompted, then export and copy the generated code. You're ready to bring your Figma design into your Next.js, Tailwind, and Shad.cn setup.